What's up everyone, Fazil here, back with a new video. In this video, we'll be solving Micro-CMS V1 Challenge 1. This has a total of 4 flags. We'll start the mission. The mission is being set up. Okay guys, just loaded. Let's try by going testing. Okay, page numbers are scattered here. Let's try for an SQL injection. No, not possible. Let's try for 7. Okay, thing is founded. Let's try editing this page and now let's give it a shot. We got our first flag. Let's copy this and paste it in the Hacker101 CTF. And let's save here. Let's go for submit flag. Paste here. And this flag is an SQL. Go to we found one flag in it, and there is totally 4 flags. Let's try creating a new page. Okay, we found that. Let's go to markdown test. After pages, let's try for not possible now. Not possible. Creating a page and markdown is submitted, but it's not. Okay, let's go to markdown test. Some button. So let's edit this page and add let's add on click. On click equal to, let's try for some store the cases on click equal to alert 1, and let's close this and press click and close button tab. Okay, see, let's click it. We got okay. It isn't working. Let's try for other flags. Okay, page. Okay, let's go testing. Let's try something. 15, 7. This checklist building. Okay, edit this page and let's click something like 16. No, you are 7. Nope. Okay. Address. Let's create a page. Hello. Okay, create. It has been storing in 12. Okay. 6 4 be done. 7 4 be done. Okay. Let's edit this page. Let's try to manipulate this. 6. Yeah, got a flag. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, let's go to the third one. Actually, the third one is in here. I made some mistakes here. On clicking the button one, let's try again. Okay, I guess I made it right, but what happened? Let's look onto the source code. Oh, we got the flag. Okay, got it the time itself within a minute. Submit another flag. Okay. This and the last flag. Okay. Let's go to markdown test. Okay, let's go to testing. We found SQLi unauthorized access and on click button accesses. Let's try for stored accesses. Okay. Let's try in both the box. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Let's try again another one. Markdowns is supported but scripts are not. Okay. Markdown test. I guess I found another one too. Okay, let's edit this page and okay, we got a flag. It worked. Actually, it took time to run that script on the previous one which we wrote. Okay, submitted every flag. Let's check. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next, bye from Fazal. Make sure to give comment on your feedbacks and any doubts. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again. Until next, cheers.